Hey guys, welcome back to Xamarin guys. So in this tutorial we are going to embed fonts inside our Xamarin Forms application. It might be either your font icons as well as font text that will be embedded inside Xamarin Forms project. So at first, let's download our font icons from materialdesignicons.com. I'll give that website link in my video's description below. So after you download that file, I'm going to rename that .ttf file to mymaterialicons.ttf, and our next work is to copy that file inside our project. So before that, I am in Xamarin Forms release version of 4.4. So let me upgrade that Xamarin Forms version. So Xamarin Forms 4.5 and above, the embedded forms are supported. So let me copy that file over here, and then I need to change that build action to embedded resource. So this is the embedded resource that we'll be using, and the next step is to define that assembly file over here. So this is the downloaded file that I have to put over here. Then alias name should be anything you may like. So here I have put user icon so that I can call this user icon over any XAML page. So let's create a new class file as font icons class. So let me remove this. Now after downloading that file, I need to go to icons font to code, then get that file. So this is my downloaded file that I have downloaded it. So from here, so let it load. Okay, these are my fonts. There are more than 5,000 fonts inside this TTF file. So at first we are going to copy that whole C# code. Then I'm going to paste it over here. Let me go up. So as I have created my class name as font icon class, I'll remove that and then replace that font icons to font icons class. That's all. Now we can take any of the font icons from here towards our main page.xaml. So at first we are going to embed font icons inside our Xamarin Forms project. So at first we are going to create image source and then give font image source as color as black, size 88. You can give anything as you like, and here the alias name should be copied to the font family section. Then this X static will take our class where we have fonts. So let me remove that and then put local. This local will take our C# class. Let me define that local over here. So my font icon class is inside fresh font apps. You can see over here. So if you have added that font icon class in some folders, then you will just initialize as CLR namespace fresh font icons dot the folder where that C# class is. So this is the static class where I'll be taking my font icons from. That is font icon class dot trending neutral. Trending neutral is the icons which is inside my font icon class. So after running the project, then we get our successful output. So let's embed Google Fonts inside our Xamarin Forms project. So let us take one fonts from here. You can take anyone. So let me take this and download it. I need to copy this TTF file inside our same Xamarin Forms shared project. So let me copy that and then drag it over here. Now I have to change that properties to embedded resource, same as like our icons. Now I need to add that assembly inside our assembly info.cs. So let me rename it and then put it over here, and then let's change that alias name to something like user font text. Now here is one label where I'm putting that font family as user font text. That's all. We are just calling our alias name. We got our as expected output. So that's all for this tutorial now. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch for next tutorials.